Hey, welcome everybody. So in this video, we're going to be talking about indexes, and I got this poem variable. I realized I really wasn't that great at poetry, so I just decided to trash what I had and replace it with this much more inspirational poem that has, layers of meaning. Where am I? I mean, this could mean, where am I physically, spiritually, what is my purpose? Anything. The true meaning of this poem is up to the reader's interpretation. And anyways, what I want to talk about is how you can grab any particular character of a string, and that is with indexes. Or what some professionals might say, indices. Sounds stupid. Do you need help advancing your coding skills? Check out my new program, Code Breakthrough. Code Breakthrough offers hands-on learning with Python and data structures, algorithms, and interview challenges. With a supportive community and regular new content, Code Breakthrough will help you get hired or advance your career. For a limited time launch special, use the link in the description to get 20% off your subscription. See you there. I'm just playing, guys. Say it however you want, but essentially, each one of these characters is given a number, and we can grab that character using that number. So, to start off, W is given the number 0. So that is important, and that's probably one of the biggest hurdles for new developers, because any kind of algorithms we work with, we have to start with 0. So how do we actually grab that W? Well, using square brackets, we can put a 0 like so. Hitting run, and we get W. Also, I apologize, I keep scrolling, my mouse is like really touchy. Anywho, that's how we grab W, and we can go on and grab H by using a 1. Running that, we get H. And what about this space here? Well, spaces are characters. Even though they're not something visible, they're actually a space. They are a thing. I feel like this is some weird, is something that doesn't take up space a thing? I don't know. So yeah, strings are considered characters. So this is going to be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if we want to get that space, we just put a 5, running this, and look at that. It's a space. Great. So what happens if we put an index that is too large? So for example, 50. Well, that's going to go through this string, but it's going to go way past the string. And when we run this, we actually get an error, string index out of range. So this is something you really have to be careful with, because it's very easy to go outside of the edge of the string. And in that situation, you're going to break your code, and the code's not going to work the way you would expect. This is really important if you create an algorithm to go through each one of these characters to make it such that it doesn't go too far. And we'll be talking about how to do that in this video series. So yep, that's all I got for you guys in this video. I thought I had more, but it kind of ran short. So stay tuned for the next one, because we're going to be talking about slicing, which is how you can grab a section of a string. Oh, and another thing I could talk about on indexes is it's not just for strings. Once we get to lists, we're going to be talking about indexes again. So make sure you understand them and understand that the first character always has the index 0. All right, stay tuned for the next one.